Hello. Integral is root modulus of sin x dx. Integration from 3 5 by 4 to 16 5 by 3. See again 16 5 by 3 can be written as 5 5 plus 5 by 3. Okay. So this implies 5 plus 2 into 2 plus this will be 1 by 2. Okay, 3 5 by 4 can be written as 5 minus 5 by 4. So 5 means 2 minus 5 by 4 is, this will be cos of, because 0 to 5 by 4 of sin x dx is equal to, isn't it, minus cos x 0 to 5 by 4, that is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, wait, minus 1 by root 2 minus 1, or this is 1 minus 1 by root 2. So this expression becomes, this implies, there it is 5 plus half, this is for this minus the lower limit, this is 2 minus of, this will be 2 minus 1 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, you got it. This will be 1 by root 2, it comes here. So you have to subtract those two. That implies 21 by 2 minus 2 minus 1 plus this minus 2 plus 1 by root. This will become 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So if you take the LCM as 2 root 2, then 21 root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 2, that is 19 root 2 plus 2 by 2 root 2. This is the answer. Hello. Now let us consider one shortcut in complex number. 1 plus I raised to n is equal to minus 4 raised to q is equal to into 1 plus I raised to r. If you divide n by 4, then you will get some quotient and remainder. Okay, by using this only you can simplify the given complex number in the form of powers. To find 1 plus I raised to 121, imagine how much term it will take, 122 terms. It is not easy to write out the terms and simplify later. See, what you have to do is 121 divided by 4 is equal to, quotient is 30. 30 into 40 is 120. Remainder is 1. So answer for this is minus 4 raised to 30 plus 1 plus I raised to 1. That means minus 4 raised to 30 is 4 raised to 30 itself, because this is power is even. So answer will be, this is 1 to the power 1 means 1 plus I only. So 4 to the power 30 plus I into 4 to the power 30. So this is the required answer. Okay, similarly for this one, n by 4, this is 56, q is 14 and r is 2. So answer to this is minus 4 raised to 14 1 plus I raised to 2, or this is 4 raised to 14 into 1, expand this, 1 plus 2i minus I squared, plus I squared. I squared means minus 1, so these two get cancelled. So what remains is 4 to the power 14 into 2i. So this is the answer. Okay. Similarly, what happens here? 8 by 4 is equal to, what is 8 by 4? 2 only. Q is 2, R is 0. So answer will be for this 1 plus I, means 4 raised to minus 4 raised to 8 into 1 plus I to the power 0 plus minus 4 raised to R 8, 1 minus I raised to 0. So answer is 2 times minus 4 raised to 8 or plus 4 raised to 8. So you are asked to find 1 plus I whole to the power 27 minus 1 minus I whole to the power 27. Then how to apply the shortcut? 27 divided by 4 is equal to, this is 6. So this implies Q is equal to 6 and R is equal to 3, isn't it? So answer to this will be minus 4 raised to 6, 1 plus I raised to 3 minus 4 raised to 6, 1 minus I raised to 3. So this is the answer. Now you have to simplify this. So minus 4 raised to 6 or plus 4 raised to 6 into bracket 1 plus I whole cube minus 1 minus I whole cube. If you remember this result, then you can directly write, otherwise you have to expand this one. 4 raised to 6 into 1 plus 3a square b 3i plus 3ab square, b is I square, plus I cube, okay, minus 1 minus 3i plus 3i square minus I cube, isn't it? This is equal to 4 to the power 6, 1 plus 3i minus 3, it is minus I square into I minus 1 plus 3i minus 3i square is minus 3, it is plus 3, it is minus I minus of minus I plus I, it is again one more minus. So this is again minus, this is minus I into I plus I minus I. So 4 to the power 6 into plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled, 3i plus 6i minus 2i minus 4 plus 4i, it is totally plus 4i, or 4 to the power 7i. You can write like this. This is the simplified form. So if you apply this technique, you can arrive at the answer very quickly. Otherwise it takes lot of time. Another form, this is combination of arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Okay, in progression, see, a raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n plus 1 divided by a raised to n plus b raised to n is equal to, suppose, k. If n is equal to 0, what happens? If n is equal to 0, this will be a plus b, and this will be 0 and 0, 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is nothing but arithmetic mean. In this expression, if you put n is equal to 0, you will get arithmetic mean. If you put n is equal to minus half, what happens? N minus half plus 1, that is plus half. This is also plus half. This is minus half, minus half. Minus half means 1 by root a plus 1 by root b. If you take the LCM, in the denominator root ab, numerator will be root a plus root b, that cancel with the numerator. Okay, numerator of the denominator cancel with the numerator. Then denominator comes to the numerator, that is root ab. So this will become root ab. So this is nothing but geometric mean. If you put minus 1 means minus 1 plus 1, 0, a raised to 0 plus b raised to 0, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by a plus 1 by b is a plus b by ab, and that ab multiplies with the numerator of this numerator, that is 2 into ab divided by a plus b. So this is 2ab divided by a plus b. So this is nothing but harmonic mean. Okay, now the question will be asked to find the value of n. Usually that is among the 3, any one among the 3 only. So here n raised to n plus 1 plus 4 raised to n plus 1 divided by 9 raised to n plus 1 plus 4 raised to n plus 1 divided by 9 raised to n plus 4 raised to n is given. You are asked to find, and is equal to 6 is given. You are asked to find the value of n. See, if you put n is equal to 0, what happens? 9 plus 4 divided by 1 plus 1. 13 by 2 is not 6, so that is not correct. So n is equal to minus half. If you put, this is minus half means plus half plus half. 3 plus 2 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, that is not 6. So if you put what is that? This is, if you put, let us see. So if you put n is equal to minus half, 9 raised to n is equal to minus half. See, this is minus half plus 1 is plus half. 4 raised to half again. This is 9 raised to minus half plus 4 raised to minus half means 3 plus 2 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. If you take the LCM, so this will be 3 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 6, isn't it? So these two get cancelled, 6 comes to the numerator and answer will be 6. So n is equal to half is the correct answer. See, 6 raised to n plus 1 plus 4 raised to n plus 1 divided by 6 raised to n plus 4 raised to n. See, if you put n is equal to 0, what happens? 6 plus 4 divided by 1 plus 1, 2, isn't it? So that means 10 by 2. Therefore n is equal to 0. At n is equal to 0, this satisfies. Okay, or the form is a plus b by 2. Here, if you put n is equal to 0, 4 plus 9 is 13, divided by 1 plus 1, that is 13 by 2, but it is 72 by 13. If you put n is equal to minus half, that is 2 plus 3, 5, divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by, that may not be possible. If you put n is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 means, see, this is 0, 0, that is 1, 1 plus 1, at n is equal to minus 1, this is 1 plus 1, 4 raised to 0, 9 raised to 0, divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9. So, take the LCM, 1 divided by, this is 13 by 32. Sorry, 36 it is. 13 by 36. But it is 72 here. So answer may be 36 only. This 2 is there now. Sorry, this is 2. So 72 by 30. So n is equal to minus 1 is correct. Okay, here is 2. So in an AP, if these are the terms given, you are asked the third term. If you observe, T64 is equal to 13, T13 is equal to 64. 2018 is equal to 108 and T108 is equal to 2018. So there is a rule. So if TP is equal to Q and TQ is equal to P, then TR is equal to P plus Q minus R. This is the rule. So T101 is equal to how much? P plus Q. P is 64 plus 13 minus 101 is equal to, that is 77 minus 24 it is. Similarly, here 102 plus 2018 minus 2120 is equal to 0. Similarly, here T this much is equal to 126 plus 79 minus 540. You get the answer. Okay, this is another simple rule. Look here, 0 to 5 by 2 of 1 by a squared cos squared x plus b squared sin squared x dx is equal to 5 by 2ab. This is another result. 0 to 5 by 2 of 25 cos squared x plus 16 sin squared x dx. Then a square is 25, b square is 16. So a is 5, b is 4. So directly you can write the answer as 5 by 2 into 5 into 4 or 5 by 20. Similarly for this is 5 by 2 into root 49 is 7 root 11. It is the answer. Okay, if you are familiar with this type of integrals, then it is very easy to write the answer. So this is inverse of rational function. F inverse. Okay. If fx is ax plus b divided by cx plus d, then f inverse of x will be, this will get changed. A and d interchanges and b and c get its sign, opposite signs. It will take opposite signs. So the answer for this is the standard form. Answer for this is dx and a comes here, a. This is minus b minus cx. Similarly, for this one, f inverse is equal to, what happens? This comes here, x minus 2 divided by minus 2x plus 3. Isn't it? 3 comes here. Similarly, for this, f inverse is equal to plus 4. 4 remains as it is. So minus 4x minus 3 divided by, this will be minus 6x and plus 4. And this will be G inverse is equal to 3x and minus 1 minus x plus 2. Okay, you can use this inverse technique not only for competitive exam but also for verifying your answers in the board exams. This is another important trick. I don't know whether it will be asked in CET or JEE, but this is in the beginning of trigonometry chapter it relates, that is angle, and this will be certainly asked in NDA exams and many other competitive exams. Even it can be included in general knowledge question also. See, angle between hour hand and minute hand. Minute hand is, angle is equal to 30 into the needle at the hour and minus 1 by 2 times minute hand. This is hour hand and minute hand. So this you have to take the absolute value. What is the angle between hour hand and the minute hand when the time is 4:30? 4:30 means 4:30. 4:30, either it is AM or PM. So answer is very simple. That is 30 into 4. Hour hand is 4 and minute is 30. 11 by 2 times 30. So this is 120 minus 15 into this. It is 15 means 165. So 45 degree. What is the angle between the hour hand and minute hand when the time is 7:45? So again angle is 30 into 7 minus 11 by 2 times 45. You simplify and get the answer. 210 minus, this is how much it is, 22.5 into 11 or 5.5 into 45. Okay, you simplify and get the answer. Consider it very simple. Even you have studied these things in high school classes. See, solving simultaneous equation, finding x and y values when two linear equations are given of the same variable are given. So there are many methods, some 5 methods are there. Among them, I am considering here that Kramer's rule. I feel this will be more easier to and quickest way of finding the unknown values. See, here you have to find the value of delta. Delta will be 2, 3, 1, 1. These coefficients. That is equal to 2 minus 3. That is minus 1. And delta x. Delta x means in place of x you have to put these values 5 and 3. And 3 and 1 remains as it is. So this will be 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4. Delta y is equal to, in place of y you have to put these values, x remains as it is, and 5 and 3 comes to the place of coefficient of y. So this will be 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Now x is equal to, you have to write delta x by delta. That is delta x is minus 4, delta is minus 1, so x is 4. Once you find, you can substitute here only if the equation is simple. Otherwise, you can write this also. Then you need not compute this also. Okay, if it is simple equation, y is equal to what happens? Delta y by delta. Delta y is 1 and this is minus 1. So y is minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Similarly, here delta will be 3, 2, 2 and minus 1. So minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7, and delta x will be 10, 5, 2 minus 1, that is minus 10, minus 10, that is minus 20. Delta y will be 3 and 2, 10 and 5. So 15 minus 20. 15 minus 20 is minus 5. So x is equal to minus 20 by 7 and y is equal to minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by minus 7. So this will be plus. So 5 by 7. Let's check this answer. Okay. The procedure is this one. This is solving quadratic equation in a very easy way. This is a very new approach. See, new way to solve a quadratic equation. This is due to young mathematician from Carnegie Mellon University. This is due to Poisson law. Okay. Only this name is this much. So according to him, how to solve this quadratic equation? See, sum you have to find. Sum of this is minus b by a. That is minus 5 by 2. You have to take the half. Half is equal to minus 5 by 4. Product is c by a. That is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now we have to write the quadratic equation. that is minus 5 by 4 plus x into minus 5 by 4 minus x is equal to minus 3 by 2, this product. That implies minus 5 by 4 squared minus x squared is equal to minus 3 by 2. That is 25 by 16. If you bring this side plus 3 by 2, and that x square goes to another side. So this is equal to this is 16 means 24, 49 by 16 it is. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 7 by 4, isn't it? You get this much. So roots are minus 5 by 4 minus 7 by 4 and minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, that is minus 12 by 4 minus 3, and this will be 2 by 4, that is half. So minus 3 and half are the roots of this equation. Is it not easy? See, to find the roots of this equation, to find the solution for this equation, sum will be minus b by a, minus means plus 3 divided by 18, that is 1 by 6 it is. Okay, it's half of this is 1 by 12. Product is c by a. C is minus 6, is minus 6 by 18, that is minus 3 by 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. Okay, now write the equation. Minus, this is 1 by 12 minus x into 1 by 12 plus x is equal to minus 1 by 3. That is 1 by 12 squared minus x squared is equal to minus 1 by 3, or x squared is equal to 1 by 144. If you bring another side, 1 by 3 it is. So how much it is? So this will be 3 4 the 3 8 the 38. Is it 39? 3 4 the 12. Yes, 49 by 144, isn't it? So x is equal to plus or minus 7 by 12. So roots are how much? 1 by 2, 1 by 12 minus 7 by 12 and 1 by 12 plus 7 by 12, that is minus half. Minus 6 by 12 is minus half, and this is 2 by 3. 8 by 12 means 2 by 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Is 3x squared plus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. The sum is sum of the roots minus b by a, that is minus 4 by 3. Half of this is minus 4 by 6 or minus 2 by 3 it is. Now product is equal to c by a, that is minus 15 over 3 or minus 5. Okay, now equation is x minus 2 by 3, minus of minus means plus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 plus x into minus 2 by 3 minus x is equal to minus 5. So minus 2 by 3 whole squared minus x squared is equal to minus 5. So x squared is equal to 4 by 9 plus 5, or this is 49 by 9, 49 by 9. So x is equal to plus or minus 7 by 3. So roots are how much? Minus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3. This is minus 9 by 3 is minus 3 and it is 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. This is a question on progression. The sum of the series 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 cube, 2 square plus 2 cube, so on up to n terms is among the 4 options. Let us take 2 terms. At n is equal to 2, what happens? The sum of these two, that is 3 plus 3 plus 4, 7 is equal to 10. Put n is equal to 2 and verify the answers. N is equal to 2 means this is 2 to the power 4, that is 16, minus 6, that is 10. So A is the correct answer. Answer is A. You need not check the other option. Other progression question: 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 2, 3 square plus 3, so on up to n square plus n. The sum of this is, if the sum of the series is, let us consider again 2 terms. At n is equal to 2, this will be 1 square plus 1, 2, plus 2 square plus 2 is 6, this will be 8. So we have to put n is equal to 2 and check which one is the appropriate answer. So n is equal to 2 means 2 into 3 by 2, so that is 3. So this is not the answer. So n is equal to 2 means 2 into 3 by 2 into 2. So that is again not the answer, 6 it is. So 2 into 3 into 4 divided by 3. 3 get cancelled, 2 into 4 is, so answer is C. Okay. This is another example. Tp is equal to half, Tq is equal to 1 by P. Here also you have to apply the technique, otherwise it is not easy to find the answer. So let us take P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 2. Then what happens? T1 is equal to 1 by 2. Tp is equal to 1 by 2 and T2 is equal to 1 by 1, or it is 1, and SPQ is equal to S2 it is. So T1 plus T2, this is nothing but T1 plus T2. S2 means sum of two terms. T1 plus T2 means this is 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Search among the correct value. This is not the answer. This is 2 plus 1 into 6. This is not the correct answer. 2 minus 1, this is again half. So this is 2 plus 1 by 2. So D is the correct answer. Hello. So this is another important type. That is rank of a word in dictionary. The letters of the word coaching are permuted and all the permutations are arranged in an alphabetic order as English dictionary. The number of words that occur before the word coaching is, you have to find. See, one technique is there. You have to write the letters of the word separately. Among this, C occurs first. After C, H, then I, then, so you have to avoid the ranks among the given letters according to English alphabet. Now, you have to write from left side to right side the number of remaining letters before that, before the given letter. So suppose say C, there is no letters before this C because this is the first letter. So 0. So this is fifth one, means before that there are 4 letters. And here this is 0. H means already C is over occupied. So how many? This is 0. I means these 3 are already awarded. So this is 0. This is also 0. We got it. Now right to left. This is 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, and 5 factorial. Now 0 into 5 factorial, 0, plus 4 into 4 factorial, 4 factorial is 24, into 4 is 96, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0. So answer is 96. 96. There are 96 words before coaching. The word coaching. Okay. This is also finding the rank of the word. If all the words formed by the letters of the word small and arranged as in dictionary, then the position of the word small is. So use the technique small is SML. So this is the first letter, L second one, M is third one, S is fourth one. Okay. Now from left to right, so this is fourth one and 2 are repeated, so 2 factorial. Before that there are 3 letters, among this 2 are repeated. Here no letters. Once it is occupied, this two also not. And next, right to left. This is easy. Just 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 3 factorial and 4 factorial. Now sum this. 4 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial, that is 4 into 3, that is 48, and this is 3 into 3, is it 9? 9, isn't it? 3 into 2 factorial get cancels and 3 into 3 is 9 and remaining are zeros. So this is 57. Now what is asked here? Then the position of the word means one more than that. Position is 57 plus 1 is equal to 58th. So B is the answer. See, before means the actual sum. Position means 1 plus and one word after this means you have to add one more. The position of the word after small. Suppose that is asked. Okay. If all the words formed by using the letters of the word mother and arranged as in the dictionary, then the position of the word mother is MOTHER. This left to right is, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 actual ranks. Now before this there are 2. Before this 1 is over, 3 means 2 again. So this is 6, already 2 are there. So 3. This is 1, 0 and 0. And right to left is 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 3 factorial and 5 factorial. No. So this is 2 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial means 120, isn't it? So 240 it is. Plus this is 24 into 2, 48. Plus 6 into 18 plus 2 plus zeros. Okay, this is 288 plus 20, 308. Actual position is asked plus 1. So 309th position. Answer is 209th position. Okay. Hello, dear friends. In the beginning, I had an intention of putting 100 and plus shortcuts in YouTube. Today it crossed 108, our holy number. Sometimes these are very helpful tools for solving. In the exam, when you solve a couple of times and suddenly you see a question for which you know the shortcut, you will be delighted. It also saves so much time. But please note that these shortcuts or tricks are only time-saving techniques or quick hack for your competitive exams, or can be helpful in verifying the answers in board exams. However, in no way it is the substitute for conceptual understanding. Okay.